Hi, this is Dr. Ona, and today we're here with Paula from Apex Dental Milling and Laboratory Services.
And we're going to answer some common questions about dental milling. So what's been the biggest advantage or changes brought about by digital milling?
The biggest changes have been that pretty much we can accept files from anywhere. It's not like an impression has to be mailed to us or an impression has to be picked up and delivered or model work has to be sent in to us. Everything has the speed of the internet. We can receive a file from a doctor or a lab in California as easily as we can receive a file from an office next door.
So much faster, so much more efficient.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Paula, for joining us today. And if you have any other questions, then contact us at the Dental Advisor or contact
Apex Dental Milling and Laboratory Services.